Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to download history on the Metatrader 5 platform. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main dashboard or trading interface, you'll need to access the symbol section to begin downloading your historical data. Now press Ctrl and U together on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut will instantly open the symbol window, which is where you'll manage all your historical data downloads. This is a much faster way to access this feature compared to navigating through multiple menus. Once the symbol window opens, direct your attention to the top of this window. You'll see several tabs available, and you need to click on the one labeled Ticks. This section is specifically designed for downloading tick-by-tick historical data, which gives you the most detailed market information available. After clicking on Ticks, you'll notice a first drop-down menu appears on your screen. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of available trading symbols. From this list, choose the symbol you want to download history for. This could be a currency pair, stock, commodity, or any other instrument you're interested in analyzing. Selecting the right symbol is crucial because this determines which market data you'll be downloading. Next, locate the second drop-down menu right below the first one. Click on it and you'll see three options: all ticks, bid/ask ticks, or last/volume ticks. Each option provides different types of tick data, so choose the one that matches your analysis needs. All ticks gives you complete data, bid/ask ticks focuses on pricing data, and last/volume ticks shows transaction-based information. Now you'll see a date field displayed on your screen. This is where you define the time range for your historical data. Click on the date field and edit it to adjust the start and end dates according to the period you want to analyze. Setting the correct date range ensures you download exactly the amount of historical data you need without unnecessary extra information. Once you've configured your symbol, tick type, and date range, click the Request button. This action tells Metatrader 5 to fetch the historical data based on your specifications. You may need to wait a moment while the platform retrieves and processes the data from the server, depending on how large your date range is. After the data loads successfully, look at the bottom of the window and click on Export Ticks. This button allows you to save all the retrieved historical data to your computer for offline analysis or backup purposes. A file browser window will appear on your screen. Navigate through your folders and choose where you want to save this historical data file. Select a location that's easy to remember so you can access the data later when you need it. Finally, click the Save button to complete the export process. Your historical tick data is now safely stored on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded historical data from Metatrader 5, giving you valuable market information for your trading analysis. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.